You asked, how to divide 11,275 by 50 using the long division method. 1 is too small. 11 is too small. Use 112. 112 divided by 50 equals 2. 2 times 50 equals 100. 112 minus 100 equals 12. Bring down 7, making 127. 127 divided by 50 equals 2. 2 times 50 equals 100. 127 minus 100 equals 27. Bring down 5, making 275. 275 divided by 50 equals 5. 5 times 50 equals 250. 275 minus 250 equals 25. The remainder is 25. The final result is 225 remainder 25.